Squishy is very nice, and I love how it's very slow rising. So now, this is what I'm going to do. So, just watch how it goes. Okay. In my next video, I'm going to show you